Hello, welcome back. I'm super excited to share this journal. This is my February Calico Collage design team project using the Serene Flora kit, and I love how this journal came out. I just love it when sometimes it just flows. And this was one of those projects. It flew. It just kind of came together, and I love it. I love when that happens. So this just has a fabric wrap to tie it and close it. I did a fabric collage on the front with some fun different upholstery fabrics and scrap fabrics. I have this metal piece that I found in my stash, a Tim Holtz word and clip that says adore. This is a tuck spot at the top with a glassine bag that I had sewn these pieces on. It's a fabric cover, and recently Daisy of Tsunami Rose has been doing lots of lives, and in her video she used some fabric and heat and bond and some cardstock and made super cool covers, and so I wanted to try it. So my cover is a little different than hers. She used a piece of fabric and a piece of cardstock. Mine, I have two pieces under here as the other fabric. And then to give it some more stability, I used one of the cards from the kit and folded the fabric up and made these tuck spots. So in the front and the back, there's the tuck spot and this beautiful card from the Calico Collage kit. So yeah, I love. And then I did stitching all the way around to keep everything nice and neat. And then the other thing that's different, instead of sewing or binding my journals, well, that one's not gonna show, but like this one that we usually do, I ran it through my sewing machine. And I thought for sure, it was gonna be a mistake, but it worked, and look, it just stitched right through like butter. I had to go slow, of course, but it did it. I don't think I could have gone much thicker with my signature. I think that wouldn't have worked, but I love it. I love it. Okay, and we made these tags together in a previous video, so these are my mixed media tags that you'll see throughout the journal. And let's look at the journal. So this is part of the kit. So pretty, blues and greens and yellows, my colors, I love it. And then I also have, oh, what's the book? Sorry. It's called the Victorian Flower Album, pages from the book, and it's perfect because the book is longer. So I was able to make pages that would flip out. A piece of ephemera from the kit, and this is scrapbook paper from Boho Bunny that is just matched perfectly. I mean, I couldn't have made it any better myself to match. Some journaling cards tucked in, and aren't these colors gorgeous? So pretty. And then I added some lace and ribbon throughout. There's a bag with some goodies in it, one of the tags that we made. And there's definitely more room to embellish and decorate. A dictionary page and some green, can't think of the word, paper, but I can't think of the name of the paper. Anyway, another journaling page, a little place you could write the date with some lace, more book page. Aren't those pretty? So pretty. And it goes so well with the kit. There's a little collage using some of the fabric and that matched the colors of the scrapbook paper. Another scrapbook. I used this one as my center signature. Flipped it up to make a pocket, and here's the shaker pocket I made with some ephemera. I think it turned out really cute. One of the tags we made together. Piece of ephemera, more lace on the edge. So pretty. These are those stickers that I have. more goodies in this pocket. Oh, come on. There we go. More ephemera, more lace, another tuck spot, Serene, and then down here, Vibrant. All right, second signature. Isn't that beautiful? The scrapbook paper. Here's one of the mixed media tags. I think this one's my favorite. I don't know. This color, oh, so pretty. A little tuck spot. And then I have some coffee dyed paper on the back to give it a little stability and for journaling. Flip out here. Lots of room for journaling, adding some pictures and decorations. There's some more tags. I love how she did this with the colors. So fun. A bird, another tag clipped on. There's the center signature and the pages flip out. So pretty. Grid graph. It's not really graph paper. Ledger, maybe? I'm not sure of the word I'm thinking. More tags. Dictionary. Really cute. Another tag that we made. Oh, there we go. A bird. Another flip out. And this tag keeps falling out, but he goes in there. There's another little tag. This is from the kit, so pretty. There we go. There's the one with the well and radiant at the back. And that is the Calico Collage Serene Flora journal, my February design team kit, and this will be listed in my Etsy shop. I think this will be so fun to work in. I love how it turned out, if I do say so myself. Well, I think it's because these are my colors. These are my colors. If you're a blue, green, teal kind of girl, this is your kind of colors too, I would say. Okay, well, thanks again for joining me, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.